Alright, Ben. What up, people? Stock up the old fire hole. Out the front. I got a lot of grease and shit all over this. It's cleaned off. Before I start putting it back together. This is where we left off. Where is this bearing? Alright, I can't find it. Guess what that means? Send it. After I figure out where I put it. And burn myself at the same time. Nice. Alright, we got it. Give me one of these. How's that look on the camera? Grease this bad boy up. Bubble. Greasy. Alright. This goes in and out. Quit it. Okay, that's in. Okay, now I'm gonna pull out the little pieces of wood that I just dropped in there. Oh. So you jam it in these notches on the side, and then you crank it down, and it compresses that spring in the bottom. Sweeper, it's dusty. Sticky. Output shaft. You need clean desperately. little bit of a confusion on my hands if you haven't figured that out yet. Alright, we're gonna get rid of these old clutches because they're junk. That's what it fits, therefore it ships. Why does it smell hot in here, you ask? Because I left my foxtail brush on top of my wood burner and it's been burning for 3 hours. Way to go, asshole. Guess what? This socket doesn't fit. We're gonna try to get it in the old hot and cold way, you know what I mean? So we're gonna let this thing dry off and then we're gonna put it on the wood stove so it expands like fucking crazy. We're gonna put the bearing in the freezer so it contracts like crazy. Might even put it outside. It's colder outside. And then see what happens. Your live contains themes that some may find uncomfortable and has been restricted. Submit feedback. What? I didn't boil English. I didn't bully anyone. It's still warm. I can hold it, but gotta aim. Yeah, see, it's not really in there in the best fashion. So I don't think this is the right one. So I got this one here. I think it is. It's just a hair bit of that one. It's close. Like really close. I'm gonna just do the process over again. What if I keep this socket up? So if I get that socket to 300 degrees, it might do it. I can promise you I've had worse ideas.